feel like I've been looking for this my entire life. My whole childhood, I was looking for bike pumps and soccer ball pumps here and there. My dad never had them. I had to go to the store, buy one, lose it, lose the. Check this out. How cool is that? Looks like a speaker. It is not, but it's so cool. By Fantic, this right there is the pump itself. It does come with the attachment, and I'll show you exactly. And I'm such a geek for gadgets like this, but look at this. You can pump your bicycle tire, of course. You can also do balls, footballs, volleyballs, soccer balls. And once you turn it on, there's an actual LCD screen right here that will tell you. I can cycle through the modes. So right now I'm on football. I can go straight to basketball, soccer ball, volleyball, and back to football. It knows exactly the PSI needed for each ball. And once I turn it on, it's providing that air exactly the amount that it needs. I think it's incredible. And then it also comes with a little attachment when you need to do the balls like I just talked about. So without it, great for bicycle tires, but with it, incredible for your football, your soccer ball. And they also provide you, of course, why not, with the USB-C rechargeable, because this is fully battery operated. Incredible, like Fantic.